Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a coconut milk hair mask for dry and damaged hair. This hair mask is good for winters. This will keep your hair moisturized and nourished. This will prevent dryness during winters, and this hair mask will keep your hair frizz-free and keeps it looking shinier and healthier throughout the winter. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this hair mask, I will be needing 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. If you don't have this gel, you can also use aloe vera gel. To make this flaxseed gel, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Boil it in a cup of water for 10 minutes and the gel will be ready. I'm using flax seeds because it can help to strengthen my hair and also prevent split ends. The next ingredient would be coconut milk, which is not only good for your body, but it also has high beneficial ingredients for your hair. It will help to keep your hair stronger, healthier, and it also prevents hair fall. If you want to know how to make coconut milk cream, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. The next ingredient would be oats powder. Yes, this is oats powder, which is a rare hair care ingredient that helps to control hair loss and makes hair stronger. It protects hair from breakage and also helps to deep condition your hair. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the oats powder. In that I will squeeze half a lemon juice so that I can make this hair cream or hair mask more suitable for my hair. So once you have collected all your ingredients, the method is simple. All you need to do is to boil the coconut milk with the added ingredients in a pan. Make sure that you boil it in a low flame. While boiling, keep the flame low and mix it continuously. The oats powder which you have added will help the cream or the coconut milk to thicken, and the lemon juice will separate the oil and the cream so that it become into a creamy consistency. You need to put off the flame after at least maybe for after 10 minutes. It takes just 10 minutes to do this, and then once it is cool, you will have to add the flaxseed gel. If you don't have flaxseed gel, you can substitute with aloe vera gel. All this works in moisturizing your hair and keeps it nourished throughout your winter season. So once I have done this, I'm going to take it in that same bowl and let it cool for few minutes before I apply it on my hair. If your hair is very dry, you can add 2 tablespoons of castor oil or olive oil, but now what I've used is thick coconut milk cream, so that is why I'm not adding. So that has the own creamy consistency. Now it is the time to add the cooled flaxseed gel. So once it is done, you need to mix it thoroughly and make sections in your hair and apply it from the roots to the tip of your hair. You can do this hair mask once in a week and see that how it makes difference to your hair. So once you have applied throughout your length of the hair, keep it for at least 1 hour until this dries out. Once it dries out, it means that it is ready to be washed. You can wash it with the lukewarm water and shampoo it. You don't have to use conditioner separately. This hair mask will work as a deep conditioner too. So if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you have liked this video, please share it, comment if you want more, and thanks for watching.